You've been eating food wrong your whole life, and it's kinda embarrassing. Bananas? You're supposed to peel them from the bottom, not the stem. Monkeys do it better than you. That Tic Tac box? It's designed to give you one Tic Tac at a time, not dump the whole thing in your hand. Cup noodles? That giant space at the top isn't noodles settling. It's empty air. You're getting scammed. If I just exposed you, smash like, tag a friend who's still eating bananas wrong, and hit subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.